Unlocking English. Unravel the mystery of what? Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're diving deep into the world of interrogative adjectives, with a focus on the versatile and frequently used adjective, what? Remember, interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions about the noun they modify. Let's unlock the mystery of what. First things first, it's important to note that what is an interrogative adjective when it is used with a noun to ask a question. For example, what book are you reading? Here, what modifies the noun book, asking for specific information about it. Remember, if what is used without a noun, it acts as an interrogative pronoun. For example, what are you reading? Is a question where what stands alone, not modifying any noun directly. The usage and position of what are straightforward. It's placed directly before the noun it modifies. Like in the sentence, what time is it? Where what is modifying time. The noun can be singular or plural. For instance, what days are the holidays? Here, what modifies days. The noun can also be abstract, like in what idea did you suggest? Where what modifies idea. We can also use what in indirect questions. These are statements that contain a question within them. For instance, I wonder what color she will choose. Here, what modifies the noun color, and the question is embedded within the larger statement. And that's our tour of what as an interrogative adjective. It's a small word, but it carries a big punch in English grammar. Remember, when what is followed by a noun in a question, it's acting as an interrogative adjective. And it can be used in direct and indirect questions. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master of what in no time. Thank you for joining us on this learning journey, and we hope you found this video insightful. Stay tuned for more exciting grammar explorations, and until then, keep practicing and exploring the beauty of English.